RBNE stock analysis and RBNE stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play and everything. And as I'm looking at RBNE, like energy stock, it's not going to be an immediate buy, although a lot of people are very hyped, right? It's a market holiday, I understand. 17% correction is not small. And going in for Friday, the last day of the week, it's going to be this. It's going to be just me sticking to the rules. So how's that going to look like? But very briefly, just this, you know, if I don't see that shift, then I guess I'm not buying. Totally fine. I do have RBNE previous receipts. One results popping up in the analysis section in Discord, but yeah. And I know like people have this FOMO and whatnot. I do have it myself as well sometimes. I mean, you cannot have it, you know, let's put it this way. But obviously you can control your behavior. You can act upon that FOMO or not. I'm just sticking to my rules that I've tested over 42,000 videos. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. Click the first link below. It's free. It's a free newsletter and insights.